Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech, and in this video we'll be looking at the Cambridge CIE IGCSE ICT Paper 2 presentations February-March 2019, the only variant, and we're going straight to presentation. Okay, 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 I think we have it here. Okay, that's fine. Now, they said import the file M219 program as a new presentation. Now, obviously, for you to import an OTF as a new presentation, you should have opened the presentation software already. For presentation, I'm using the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm going to click on File, click on Open, and I'm just going to locate it. So I'm just going to pause the video to look for it. So yes, I've been able to locate it, and you're going to see that it's blank. All you have to do is click here, click on all files, and you'll be able to see the program. Okay, click on open, and you should have this. Enable editing. Okay, just going to move this here. All right, create a master slide for the presentation with a minimum of 4 features. Now, if you don't know the features, then obviously you're just going to have it backwards. So I'm going to click on view, click on the slide master. Now, if you notice the slide master, it is called that this is the slide master and these are the sub slides. So whatever feature you make here, others is going to be affected. Okay, so I'm going to add the features. So I'm going to click on insert. I'm going to click on the header and footer. So the slide number obviously is the feature. Apply to all. Okay, click on home, bold it. Okay, a logo is also a feature, so I'm going to look if there's a logo in this. Okay, let me look for it. Okay, there's a logo here, so I'm just going to add a logo here. Okay, okay, I'm just going to add this here. Obviously, I think I can add this here. Okay, so this is the logo. I'm going to add a line, shape. This is also a feature. Okay, so I'm just going to have this here. Okay, going to increase the weight of it. Okay, so we could have a date, which is also a feature. Okay, apply to all, click on home. Okay, so we have the picture here. Okay, We have a logo here. We have date and time, page number and line, so it's fine. Okay, you can also add transitions and animations, and you can post them, but I don't want to go through that stress, so you could just stick with this, so, and that's fine. Okay, just want to check if okay, place your name, serial number and candidate number on the master slide. So we're going to click on insert, header and footer, click on the footer. The center number is AN017, A for Jao, N for ND, and candidate number is 2023. Apply to all. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Okay, place your evidence to show the features you have applied to the master slide. You may include additional notes of features you have applied which do not appear that do not appear obvious in your screenshot. So evidence 14, we're just going to take a screenshot. So I have my master slide. Okay, I'm just going to take the screenshot here. Okay, all right, this will be evidence 14. Okay, so let's place this here. So say features on my slide, such as, I can put this in bullet points, logo, line, page number, date and time, date. Okay, that's fine. Click on file, click on save. Apply the master slide to all slides in the slideshow. Add your name as the meeting leader on the first slide. Okay, and make the layout of this slide a title and a subtitle with the text centered. Just going to change the layout title. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, because of the line. All right. Move the last slide delegates arrival details to become second slide. Move it to become second slide. So we have delegate arrival details. On the slide arrival of delegate, demote the bullet point with driver's name to a second level. Okay. So on the arrival of delegates, demote the bullet point with driver names. Okay, so I'm going to show you something right now. So right here on my slide master, we have levels, right? So this is obviously the first level, this is the second level, this is the third level, this is the fourth level, this is the fifth level. So it all depends on the level you want to. So if I hit on my tab, it goes to the second level. If I hit on my tab again, it goes to the third level, and etc, etc, etc. Okay. All right. So obviously I'm going to hit on my tab 1, hit my tab 2. If I hit again 3, 4, 5. So I don't want that. So I just want to the second level. Okay. So that's what it means. So we are going to, they said, demote the bullet point with driver's name to the second level. Print the slide with the title. Print the slide with the title arrival of delegate only at a full side slide. Okay. Because obviously they want to see the demotion that you did, right? So arrival of delegates. Okay. You can always check to see. Undo this. You can insert the slide master if you want to, but you know we have just one to deal with, and that is fine. Okay, so to arrival of delegates only at the full size. So we're going to print this, which is print out 3. So click on file, click on save. Now we have to save this as a presentation. I'm just going to pause it. So we have this here. We're just going to check the title of the presentation. Usually the first thing you do, saving it as a presentation, but I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, take off the .rtf and save this as a presentation. Then we can print this. Print. Now they said notice you're printing this as what? As only as a full side slide. Okay, so we're just going to print. Nope. So click on file, print, and we're just printing this on 3. Okay, so print, and this is going to be what? Our printer what? Print out 6. Okay, I'm just going to look for it here. I think I'll be fast. It's going to be print out 6. Okay, so this is completed. Make sure your name, center number, can number on your page. They say print all the presentation as a handout showing 6 slides to the page. So let's do that. click on file, click on print of this as handout, showing 6 slides to a page. Okay, and our names are there. So this is going to be printout 7, printout 7. So we are done with this, and we are done with presentation. So all we are going to do right now is we're going to check what we have done so far. So here we can see that we have our name, the dates, slide number, okay, and then again we have 6 of them. Now this is for horizontal, so you have it 1, 2. Obviously if it's vertical, you have it 1, 2 here. It's still the same thing, right? So we have them here. So that's fine. So yeah, so we are done with this paper. Please practice along with it. Don't just watch it, practice along with it. And please do want to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IGCSE practical videos. Bye.